Welcome to the cabin tour of 17714, the Haven. Before we start, the first thing, you have a bell. Then you can just open the door into this nice courtyard suite. I just give you a quick overview. As you can see, you have a very nice bed. Very nice view today. Today we are in Malaga. We're on the transatlantic, 16 days. Yeah, but let's start first. First thing, it's on all Norwegian ships, especially on the Escape and the newer ones. You don't have like signs which you hang up. You just have here, make up the room or do not disturbs. Then you have the aircon, which you can put like in the middle where it does nothing. What we have, you could heat it up or cool it down. Here you have a card which you just put in for the light and for the electronic. Also mostly we just put it out and then the light immediately dims and it goes out very soon. Also the electronic stuff, so if you want to load something, like you want to charge up your phone or whatever, then just leave it in. Here you have a very complex lighting system. I decided now that all lights should just stay up, that you see where you have everywhere lighting. You have also here hangers, where you can put like jackets or stuff like that. So we decided, because we came from New York, we just put our jackets and our vests over there. Here you have also little space where you can put some stuff. My wife decided just to put the handbags there, or just one handbag. Here you have the next cool thing. It's an espresso machine. Plus here you have like for an espresso or for a regular coffee, all the cups. Then you have some wine glasses up there, because you have also here a cooler where you can put, like if you buy a bottle of wine, or we got one bottle of champagne at the beginning, and we got also a bottle of wine, but we gave them away because we don't need it. We are both not big champagne drinkers, and yeah, that's why we gave it away. And wine we can order by ourselves by glass, it's no problem, so we gave it to someone who can use it. Here, by the way, here hidden salt and pepper. Here is your fridge. It's just like a regular fridge. Yeah, we have some water here and some water which you have to buy. This one we got complimentary. Yeah, it's just like when we go out, it's nice to have something. Here you have a small, yeah, here you can put some small stuff in. We put some Milka chocolates, because we brought some Milka chocolates. They're really cheap in Germany, I have to say. They're like $1 or €1, whatever, in Germany, and the crew is always hungry for it, so it's always nice. Don't know. Here we can open as well. Oh, there's a trash can. Didn't know it. Okay, nice to know. Never used it, because we have here a trash can as well. Here you have like a big mirror, also like the small mirror where you can get yourself ready. You have one European switch here and one American. For the American we brought an adapter, and here we just now unplugged the phone. You also get like a phone with your phone number over there. You can call a butler if you want and order some stuff, but we don't need it, or we don't use it at all. Then you have a TV. What I have to say, in Haven, all the films and movies are free. Normally you have to buy them if you want to watch it on demand, but in Haven they are free. Here you can also put some small things over there, like, yeah. Then here we have more storage room, as you can see. This, I don't even know what it is or why it is for, but yeah, You can put maybe some magazines in. You can't use it for writing or something, so yeah. Then here, clothes. Here also more clothes. This is our, yeah, very full dirty clothes area. And here there are more clothes. Then you have also like here, here's the van, by the way, for the hair, or the hair dryer. Here you have also something where you can sit. You have here a dining table, and next to the TV, as you can see here, you have more areas where you can put stuff. Like we put here like the freestyle dailies, some masks. We have here still a tour ticket. Here we have a cap for a friend. This is my cap, by the way, from New York, with the Statue of Liberty and my initials on it. And yeah, belts, some other stuff. And here you have another table where you can actually dine if you want. You can call your butler and to set up dinner for you and stuff like that if you like it. I mean, we always go to the Haven restaurant or to one of the specialty dinings. You always get sent some stuff. Today also chocolates again. Maybe I think I will put in some pictures which you can see right now from stuff we got like the last days. It's sometimes so much though. I mean, yeah, we will definitely gain some weight. Then before we come to the balcony, this is like a big sofa. They call it, I don't know, they call it a couch, but it's more or less a big sofa, but you can put it down to a third bed. So in this cabin, 3 people can sleep in it. So this cabin is maximum for 3 people. Then you have this very nice bed. The suitcases fit perfectly under it, so they are gone. And by the way, what's very nice, if you check here, we found it out. Like if you check here, how it's looking now, you have the big squares. And if you like go away and look from a different perspective, for example, now you see it on the bottom here, it changes to the small squares. It depends how the light falls. This looks so cool. It's also like here the same. Now you have the big ones. For example, here you can see here like the big one, or here the big one. And if you look from a different perspective on it, it's small squares. It's so we are so amazed about this. This is I know it's something very small, but it's very nice. By the way, you have also a phone here. We unplugged it because it had always the display a little bit on. It's not very bright, but a little bit, and we didn't like it, so we just unplugged it. And here, by the way, you have nothing where you can switch on something. On the other side, you have one. As you can see here, you have one American. And here you have also like the lighting system. You can switch everything on. You have also like here this blue lightings, which is like nice when you sleep and want to go, maybe you don't want to wake up your partner and you want to go to a bathroom or to use the bathroom. It's very nice because it doesn't make flash on everything. Yeah. Here you have also a lighting, by the way, which you can switch on and off. Oh yeah. No. Now both are off. Now both on. Okay. And yeah, you have also here more storage room. We didn't even use this one. I think my wife used hers, but I didn't use mine. Yeah, now you have like here you also have some storage room. It's okay like for like small t-shirts and stuff like that. Here you have some, but it's this one is, yeah, it's not really big. This one is not really. Okay, that's how it works. Yeah, these ones, yeah, they could do maybe something on it. I mean, Haven is now 7 years old here. You have anyway a safe. It's a standard safe. It's the same size as everything. So if you have like a lot of stuff, so yeah, ours is pretty packed. Even just with with some jewelry and a lot of papers and stuff like that. Yeah, here you have also an area where you can see easily fit up several trousers, jeans. You have a lot of hangers which are all used now because it's the end of the cruise. You have here some shoes, which you can see, and what's also nice, you have like a lighting system here on. I think when you go here, it goes off after a while or whatever, but it's very nice. You have like a lighting system here. On the other side, you have, as you can see, a big mirror. Then you switch it, you open it, and here you can see as well, there you can put a lot of stuff over there. You have a lot of hangers, and again some shoes here over there. Then when you walk, this is more or less your closet, and after your closet you have here the bathroom. It's also nice, this one is a little bit magnetic, so it's very nice. It stays open. You have two bath robes, which are very nice. They are not the standard one, they are Haven ones. They are extra cozy. Here, this is the area where you can brush your teeth and stuff, like do all the things. Here you have like a shower. They don't have Bulgari anymore, they switched to another brand. Yeah, you have also here a shower, and you can also take a bath if you want. I mean, some people say, yeah, you can pop the bottle of champagne and while your butler open the bath for prepares a bath for you and stuff like that. But yeah, we are not that fancy. You have here also a body lotion and liquid soap. So you don't technically, if you're not like one special stuff, because here you have also like a shower gel, shampoo, and hair conditioner. You don't need to bring anything. Maybe, yeah, something like that you should bring, but the rest is more or less fine. And then obviously here you have the toilet. Nothing too fancy about it, I have to say, but yeah, here what I really like, you have like a two washing here things, whatever, I don't know the English word, yeah, you know what I mean. So both of you can like brush your teeth and stuff like that, or wash hands and do stuff like that. What I also like about this one, you have, when I go back, here you have like the beach towels. Here you have some papers if you need some papers. And what I also like is like this space, because here, for example, that there perfectly fits like these two, because you always bring bags where you have all your toothbrush stuff and all the things which are lined up here. All these things, they are more, in general, you know yourself, you travel with these bath bags. I don't know, bath bags, is it right? Yeah, maybe you can drop it in the comments if you know the correct word, but they fit perfectly. Here you have also like you can put some stuffs here. Here you have also a dustbin, and here you have also like a small thing, but whatever. Yeah. Okay, that was it from, and here you have obviously towels. They replace it, I think, every day, even when we don't drop it on the floor. So they are extra. And here, what's also nice, like the lighting system. This one is, yeah. However, I mean, here and there you can see that Haven is 7 years old. That I have to say, but it's not Haven or the ship. It's still in very good condition, I would say. Because normally after 7 years, ship should go into dry dock, but it's now 2022, but it's in general in very good condition. Here and there you can see some things. You have, by the way, about lighting. Here you have another lighting for outside. If you travel like with kids, you have here a lock, which is very nice, because then, as you see, you can't open it. So if you have travel with kids, and for example, you travel with kids, you leave them in the room, put them to sleep, and you may want to go out to the Haven bar, which is pretty close to our cabin. I will make a video. I don't know if it will be released after this one or before this one, so you have to check maybe my channel if you want to see it, about Haven in general, on the escape, and also if it's worth or not. But it's very nice. You can lock it, but you can lock it, I think, on every balcony. So this is nothing Haven inclusive, but you can lock every balcony, and it's just nice because you know your kids are safe and they don't go on the balcony and maybe play around or drop or something. The balcony, I know it looks very, very small if you look from here. I mean, you only see like this area and you see like, yeah, it's not a big balcony. And that's true. That's true, but on the other side you can go here, and what you can do is you can ask your room steward, you can leave the chair and this, and then on here you can also put a sunbed. They do it for you if you want a more private area, whatever. But from my point of view, I have to say you have a huge Haven area, which is also very, very nice, where you can lay down, and which is Haven exclusive. So from my point of view, you don't need a big balcony. That's my point of view. If you're like somebody who says, I want to stay out in the balcony, whatever. By the way, we are doing a crossing. So I just give you a pro tip for a crossing. If you do the crossing from America to Europe in April, like we are doing it now, because we came from New York, we go to Civitavecchia, to Europe. Then always, if you want sun on your balcony, so the most of the sun, then always choose the starboard side, so the right side of the ship. If you do it in the other way around, like in November, most of the ships like from Europe to America, then go on the left side of the ship. So just a pro tip if you want nice sun. By the way, also what I forgot to mention, like you have these things for the Nespresso machine. They refill it daily. Doesn't matter how much you drink, they will even bring you more if you want to drink more. They have also like nice tea, like Yasmin, these tea forte. I don't know, I think it's an expensive brand. I'm not a big tea drinker, but my wife likes it. You have like English breakfast, you have, yeah, here's another English breakfast, here is Camille citron, and I'm 100% sure if you want something, they will bring it. Also, like, we are not that fuzzy about bringing us stuff. Also, like things like that, like we ordered pretzel sticks with mustard, which is a very nice snack, and they gave it to us daily. Then we said to them, please not daily, switch it up with something else, maybe, because my wife likes cookies. So they brought also cookies, and it's like, it's now 1:30 in the afternoon. So maybe they will bring a little bit later something again. And here, by the way, here you have also a nice area where you can just like put a laptop or something if you want to do so. But I think that's it from the cabin. And like I said, we are very happy with this cabin. For us, for 2 people, it's more than enough. It's a great cabin if you compare it like to a balcony or even a mini suite. I mean, like I said, the balcony is not the biggest one, but you have all these extra space up in Haven, which is more or less only for you and some other people. So you will always find a good sunbed and a nice sunbed and stuff like that. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just let me know. I will try to answer it. By the way, room service is available 24/7. So you can always call. You can also call, like I said, you can call your butler and say, hey, I want to have breakfast in the room, on the balcony. They prepare it very nicely for you. Also like dinner, whatever. They treat you like a baby, we always say. But yeah, I hope you had fun with the video, and see you soon.